What's the deal, y'all? So today was day 6. $94 profit. So another green day. You know what I'm saying? To be 100 though, man, this wasn't a good green day. You know what I'm saying? I overtraded. So I'm really not proud of this green day because what I did today could have really fucked me. You know what I'm saying? But it was a green day. I overtraded. You know what I'm saying? But this is trading. Sometimes even me. The emotional shit fucked me up, and you know. But yeah, let me show you. I'm gonna show you the plays I lost in. Um, so I lost in this Amazon play, right? So you can see Amazon is in, it was in a downtrend. So um, I was looking at Amazon as popping into this area and rejecting and coming back down. So that was my trade idea today. So what I seen was Amazon reject this level right here. So this was my stop. Amazon reject this level right here. So I entered about right here with my stop right here. So the loss wasn't so crazy. You can see it went down. I didn't take profit because it bounced up and came. It was no time. Bounced down a little bit, and then you can see I moved my stop to this candle. That's what I did, and I got stopped out here. So no, I didn't get stopped out here. I got stopped out on this candle, and you can see I got stopped out right here. So it went past that. So if I would have held a little bit longer, I would have won this trade. So my idea was technically right. I just got stopped out on this candle. So it went here. I probably should have waited on the 2-minute exit close, but yeah, I got stopped out on this candle, as you can see. So it wasn't this candle, it was this one. So I got stopped out there for a loss. Apple. You can see I still got this one all marked up. Same thing on Apple. Let me just go back and see. I lost 2 trades on this one, so I'm about to go back and just definitely see exactly on which exactly was my first loss on this shit. Okay, same idea. So I was putting Apple too. I thought so. Okay, so same thing. Got in this area is what I seen. It got here. So I entered on this candle right here with my stop right here, and I got stopped out. If I would have waited a little bit longer, boom. So same idea. Apple chart, bearish. I got stopped out. Bang. You know what I'm saying? So same thing. And then I knew I was right. And I tried to do the same thing, and I got stopped out twice in the same trade. So I went for 2 puts, just got stopped out both times. I was fucking right. You know what I'm saying? So tomorrow, I'm going to be looking for calls above this area. I'm not taking no calls unless this is what I'm looking for tomorrow. All right, let's go to my winning trades, man. I should have been in this fucking trade from the get-go. I charted this out perfectly. Google, you see this zone right here. I was looking for calls above this level, but I took Amazon first because I just took this trade first, which I shouldn't have. I took Amazon first. This should have been my first trade. So boom, got above this level. My entry should have been right here, but it wasn't. I waited a little bit. So it broke above. I got in right here. I got stopped out right here. So I got all my bread back and some on Google. So you can see this really should have been my entry right here, but I got in right here. So you can see I fibbed it just to get a little entry. So as soon as it entered right here, boom, caught this move, stop right here. We got a whole lot of upside. That was my target. I got stopped out right here. So still a good gain. I think our gain, what was that one? 25% on that one. So that was good. Yeah, so I took that stupid apple. I took a stupid apple after that. And then this was my trade that put me back in for sure the positive. So I wanted Meta above this level, but I really want to do it above here. So meta, I got in. You can see around this area right here. So it broke above. This would have been a good entry. So the 8 EMA. So this trade was kind of. That's why I say I'm not proud. So I didn't obey none of my stop losses. So usually, like I said, I entered on the pullback down here, and you can see when the go. I entered on the pullback. You can see. So you can see I was realistically I should have been stopped out every time. So every time, let's just say it goes up to this candle, you move your stop to this candle. So I just didn't see no volume. So every time it was a red, you can see low volume, low volume, low volume, low volume. So I I just didn't like the move. You know what I'm saying? So um I took one, got stopped out. I took us like a 5% gain, and then in the late afternoon I got in at 11. I got in at 11. I seen it dip back to this demand area, and I took a call on my stop right there. Then I ran that shit all the way back up, and that's how I got my 95. But yeah, man, I was like I said, it was an ugly trading day. It was ugly, like it was ugly. I traded for a long time. I was on the chart for a long time, too damn long. I don't like that shit. So yeah, man, that's what it is.